you know.
And this time, para mag-present naman ang ating mag-acknowledge ng ating per branch, patawagin natin ang isa sa Daman of the Hour, Mr. Joel Hilar.
Hilar, palakpakan niyo ng mga kaibigan.
Hi, baby.
Wow, ito niyo.
Ikaw po ilang ito po si Chabilita. Lalaki po yan. Ano lang po yan, ang trabaho yan. Ayan.
Hi, sir. Basta po kayo.
Ano ang pangalan mo nun?
Marco.
Marco Antonio Estera.
Okay, so, first, I'd like to acknowledge the presence of our officers. Unang-una, from Natasha, Miss Christy, Ma'am Christy, Pastor Branch Manager of Natasha Timur. Then, I'd like also to acknowledge the presence of Mr. Wilson from Ibervillena. Our Regional Chief Manager from San Miguel Excel, Mr. George Carolina. To give us some presentation from Natasha, I'd like to call on Ma'am Christy.
Hello po, Ma'am Christy. May business po. Ang taga-sugal na po. Ako na po ang binita. Maganda si Ma'am Christy. Single na po kayo? Single po or double?
Double.
Double na. Okay.
Okay, so, good afternoon. Good morning to everyone.
Sagot, good morning! Ilang energy tayo? Mga gutom na? Wala makain, bawal. Display lang yan.
Okay, so, today I would like to wish you a happy New Year and Merry Christmas. It's my first time to attend a Christmas party with a group of Sir Nardo. And